Hey everyone, if you want to share HeyGen videos in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to share your AI videos with friends, clients, or your audience. First, sign in to your HeyGen account and open the completed video you want to share. Make sure the video has finished processing. Next, click on the video to open the share page. Yeah, this is where all sharing options are located. Now click share and create a public link. Anyone with the link can watch your video without signing in. You can also share the video directly on platforms like LinkedIn or X, so this makes it easier to distribute your content. If you want to send the video to clients or teammates, use the email sharing option. Yeah, this is useful for collaboration. HeyGen also provides an embed code. You can paste this code into your website or blog to display the video directly. Some plans support password-protected links. This adds extra privacy for sensitive videos. You can share videos with teammates inside your workspace, so everyone can review, comment, and collaborate more efficiently. If you prefer, download the video and upload it manually to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other platforms. Yeah, this gives you more control. The share page also includes analytics. You can monitor views, downloads, watch time, and engagement. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share HeyGen videos in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.